See, that's what some newspapers have reported that no, I have given a wrong statement. That is not correct actually. We have applied and we got approval. Already approval is available on hand. That means it is well within the safety standards prescribed by the national authority, Chief Controller of Explosives themselves, Nagpur, with a clear approval. Now I am sharing also with you. So that, see, whatever we speak, no, we cannot say lie to the anything, because we are responsible to the government and public. So we got, though we got it, now since we are having a financially difficult position, now we will be discussing in the next board meeting how to go about it, whether we will retain the same fuel berth, and this berth, future berth, what we are planning will go for a multi-cargo and cruise berth. That's what we are thinking now internally. This will be decided in the next board meeting scheduled on 29th. We are planning.
But it's
So,
quite safe.
from the public point of view, no, nothing to worry, because this is a Chief Control of Explosive is a central organization in India, gives clearance for any POL storage or handling or hazardous cargo activity. If they themselves they are given approval, then there is a merit in in our argument. And see, some people maybe without any basis they may be sensationally raise the issue, but that is not true at all. And we are also very, very, very responsible to the environment. So if anything happens, we are also equally responsible. So we will take all precautions. Even though we got a approval, now we are keeping as a record.